Hey, what's going on, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at a couple of custom modded CEOs that were actually sent into the Apex Pass Around group via Knathans Knives. Now I'm going to leave all of Nathan's contact info down in the description. The thing is, these are actually available. Not these two specifically, but you can actually get a set of scales for your CEO for right around 80 bucks. Now, he can do it in either the brass or the copper. My particular favorite is the brass one, which it actually matches one of my pry bars that I got from Shoe Monster Tech, and I've been carrying that thing every day. So it matches it perfect. And the thing is, he actually has two different designs here. You can see on the copper scales, it's kind of flat and chamfered off on the sides, but the brass one here actually has a little bit of beveling done to it, which is also on the clip as well. Now the scales cost $80 a piece, but for an extra $10 you can actually get the original clip put on it in the tip up position. Or for an extra $30 you can actually get the clip made in the same handle material. Now I gotta say, these scales make this an entirely different knife, and I am really a huge fan of it so far. The thing is, I don't know if I like the copper or the brass. I'm still getting used to that thumb stud. My experience with the CEO is kind of limited. I've only seen the original black G10 model with the satin blade. But yeah, this is entirely a different knife, and it kind of feels, I guess a little bit more stronger. Let me go ahead and get a weight on these bad boys real quick. Tear that out. 3.780 on the copper, 3.505 on the brass. Now, that's pretty cool because I think the brass would have weighed, I don't know, it looks a little bit thicker, but I guess copper must weigh a little bit more than brass. But anyway, another cool thing I noticed on the pommel, this little pommel cap that it has, he's actually got it rounded off here to, excuse me, to fit the brass scales, which looks really, really good. Yeah, I gotta say, the brass is definitely my favorite. But they're both really, really nice, and it's all on what you like. Anyway, I think, yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the brass one here soon. Yeah, I think I just sold myself right here on the video. But anyway, I'll leave all his info down in the description. Definitely go check him out. He's doing some really cool mods, and actually, I believe he's doing other types of handle scale mods as well. So definitely check him out. I'll put his Instagram down in the description as well. It's probably the best place to hit him up at. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.